Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Jeep Cherokee between year 2014 and year 2020 guys. So if you have one and you have guys engine light on and code P2097, stay with us. We'll explain guys most likely what causes that code and how to fix it. That will be based on our experience here at the garage guys, and we will explain how we usually approach that code and how we fix it. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. That's why, because we actually on that same engine guys, we made close to 100 videos taking things apart, showing you how to fix anything guys, pretty much anything from little bitty sensors to head gaskets, even guys replacing oil pumps, timing chains. So we have everything guys. Why we do all that? Pretty simple. Our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now if you guys want to see any specific video, leave a comment below and we'll try to make one when we have some free time. Another thing, all the tools, parts, sensors, diagnostic tools that we use, okay, we share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Let's go ahead and show you what we have here. This engine is out of a 2016 guys, so 2016 Jeep Cherokee 2.4 Multiair Engine. This is right here. The only thing that we're missing right now, I removed Catalytic Converter because this is the old engine. Now I'll have a scene later in the video, make sure you stay, because we will need to have the Catalytic Converter. I'll show you on the new engine and with the black valve cover, engine cover, excuse me, okay, because we'll need to talk about the downstream oxygen sensor. But before we start, right here guys, this is the tool that we use for the diagnostics. It works pretty much on any car you can think of, not just Jeep, and this is my favorite tool that I use guys the most at the shop. It's like dealer level equipment without guys the cost of it, and the only thing you cannot do is programming and active testing, but you can reach and read every computer in your car, every module, delete codes, read codes, and see live data for every computer. So simply amazing guys, amazing tool. Now let's talk about that code guys. Okay, that relates to downstream oxygen sensor detecting the system is running rich. Okay, and you can see this right here now. Okay, we're going to show you where the downstream oxygen sensor is, this one right here. This code, this sensor guys, actually it could be a bad sensor not reading correctly that can trigger that code, and we have a video how to test the sensor, but sometimes you cannot tell 100% for sure. So you might want to replace that sensor guys, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can run a few tests to make sure that this is the reason why, and we have a video how to test oxygen sensor, downstream oxygen sensor, so please check it out. Now what else it could be guys? It could be a bad catalytic converter. Okay, you can see that exhaust manifold, the whole thing there. Okay, that's your catalytic converter as well guys. So bad catalytic converter can trigger that code. And another simple thing that we see here at the shop, leaking fuel injector. Okay, if you have a fuel injector there, okay, let me remove the intake manifold. I have everything pre-loosened so I can show you quickly guys. We have a video for each of those, how to remove and replace, let's say, fuel injectors, catalytic converters, but this is the fuel injectors. If you have a leaking fuel injector that doesn't close all the way, what could happen, it's actually spraying more fuel than it should, and that will make your system to run rich, and it means that the engine is getting more fuel than it needs guys. Another thing, it could be a bad fuel regulator, and I think on this car was integrated in the fuel pump system guys, the whole fuel pump assembly. That's where the regulator is. Okay, and if that's a bad regulator and it gets more pressure of fuel than it needs, it will spray more fuel, and as a result you may get that code P2097. It could be other things as well, but those are the most common ones we see here at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.